Welcome to our guide. Today, we'll explore how to install Play Store on your Samsung Smart TV, enhancing your viewing experience. While Samsung Smart TVs are fantastic devices, they don't support the Play Store due to their Tizen operating system. Let's check your TV's compatibility with Tizen. Ensure your software is up to date for the best experience. Fortunately, there are alternative app stores available on Samsung Smart TVs that you can explore. Here's a step-by-step guide to accessing the Samsung App Store. Let's dive in. You can search for Android apps similar to those on the Play Store directly within the App Store. If the app isn't available, you can sideload apps securely. Let's talk about how you can do that. Safety is crucial. Ensure you only download from trusted sources to protect your device. If you encounter issues, don't worry. Here are some tips to help you troubleshoot common problems. Thank you for watching our guide. Now you're all set to enjoy a wider array of apps on your Samsung Smart TV.